In this video, I'll be showing you how to install GitHub on Windows 11 desktop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there isn't a single GitHub app that installs the entire website. Instead, depending on your needs, you either install the GitHub desktop for a visual interface or Git for the command line. So the visual way is GitHub desktop. So what you want to do is go over to desktop, like github.com/apps/desktop. Click download now for Windows, and once it opens, click sign into GitHub and a browser window will pop up to verify your account. Then what you gotta do is click authorize desktop and you can now clone your repositories directly to your PC, which is going to be the best way to do it. And if you're a developer and you need to use Git commands in VS Code, Terminal, or PowerShell, you're gonna need the engine itself. So this is what you're gonna have to go ahead and download. Just go over and install for Windows, and you can keep most defaults, but ensure Git from the command line and also from third-party software is selected once you run the installer. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.